In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a login error on Microsoft Copilot if you're trying to sign in and it keeps failing, or you're stuck in a loop where it asks you to log in over and over. A quick repair from your Windows settings can often solve the problem without you needing to reinstall anything. We're going to do this entirely from the Settings app in Windows, so you don't need any extra tools. Before we start, make sure Microsoft Copilot is closed and that you're signed into Windows with an account that has permission to change apps and settings on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then selecting the Settings icon, or by using the keyboard shortcut if you're comfortable with that. Once Settings is open, look for the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps to open the app settings. Inside the Apps section, select Installed Apps. This is the place where Windows lists all the applications that are currently installed on your device. It may take a moment to load if you have a lot of programs, so just wait until the full list appears. At the top of this list, you should see a search box. In that search box, type Microsoft Copilot. As you type, Windows will filter the list so you only see apps that match what you entered. When you see Microsoft Copilot appear in the results, that's the app we're going to work with. Next to Microsoft Copilot, you'll see three dots, usually aligned to the right side of that row. Click on those three dots to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Advanced Options. This will open a new page just for Microsoft Copilot where you can manage its settings and repair options. On the Advanced Options page, scroll down until you see the Repair button. This option tells Windows to check the app's files and settings and fix anything that might be corrupted or misconfigured while trying to keep your data and preferences intact. It's generally safe to run and is a good first step before considering a reset or reinstall. Click Repair and wait while Windows processes the request. You may not see a progress bar and it can take a little time, so be patient and avoid closing the settings window while it runs. When it's finished, you won't always get a big notification. The button will simply become clickable again. Once the repair is complete, close the Settings app. Now open Microsoft Copilot again and try to log in. In many cases, this simple repair resolves login errors by cleaning up the app's internal files and configuration. If the login error continues after running the repair, you can repeat these steps later or consider additional troubleshooting, but this method is the easiest and safest place to start for most users.